Welcome to a brand new episode of Love Ke Fun Day. This is me, Aparna Warrior. I hope कि आपका हफ्ता बहुत अच्छा गया हो. Thank you so much आपके likes, आपके shares, आपकी subscription के लिए. Please keep giving us all your love and please keep sharing it also कि क्या पता आपके कोई घर पे कोई फैमिली मेम्बर या किसी फ्रेंड को इस वीडियो को देखने की ज़रूरत पड़े. So please keep sharing and please keep liking. And I think we should move to the question of the week. So let's see इस हफ्ते का question क्या है. So let's see what the question for the week is. You guys know the drill. मैं पहले question को पढ़ूंगी और फिर हम उसके बारे में discuss करेंगे. तो देखते हैं इस हफ्ते का question क्या है. Let me read it out aloud for you, okay? I and my boyfriend just moved in together recently. Everything is okay except that I have been paying for almost everything. I pay the rent, household expenses, food, grocery, maintenance, etc. At first I thought he just forgets to pay, but now I think he makes an excuse not to. I don't want to rock the boat, but how do I very nicely put it across to him without offending him? So, oh my God, ये question जितना easy है, मतलब पढ़ने में जितना easy है, to be in that situation, I am sure it's not easy. You're clearly in that honeymoon phase and you don't want to rock the boat. जैसे आपने कहा, you want things to go as smooth as possible. You're in a new relationship or you've just moved in and you don't want to upset things, and I totally get it, okay? बहुत मुश्किल होता है ये difficult चीज़ें discuss करना, but let me tell you कि अगर आप इसको discuss नहीं करेंगे तो you will continue to pay the bills forever, like till the time you guys are together. I think you will continue to pay the bills अगर आपने कुछ कहा नहीं अभी. And इसका एक पॉजिटिव साइड ये है कि आपका रिलेशनशिप, I mean not relationship, but you've just moved in, so things are new and probably you can set the ground rules right at the beginning rather than आप इसको अगर ऐसे ही चलने देंगे एंड 1 साल या 2 साल के बाद अगर आप इस चीज़ को if you bring it out after 1 or 2 years, clearly things will be even worse then. So it's better that the quicker you get it out in the open and address the elephant in the room, the better for you. So my suggestion is like just go for it, rip the band-aid and just tell him that dude, you need to pitch in, you cannot expect me to pay all the bills. And ये पहले के ज़माने जैसे भी नहीं है कि लड़का सब खर्चा उठाए और लड़की बस बैठा रहे, और या फिर vice versa where the girl is just paying and the guy does not pay at all. That's not how things are now. People pitch in, like even if you are married, even if you are in a relationship, even if you're living in together, it's very natural कि दोनों partners equally दे एक relationship को financially and emotionally. So it's not wrong for you to ask for it, and I think I'm shocked that he's not figured it out yet, but like you said, if he's avoiding the topic, then it's better that you get it out in the open as quickly as possible. And you don't have to be rude or blunt. You can just say it very nicely that it's getting difficult for me to put in all the money, so can you please help, तो एक smile दे देना, and probably and hopefully he will get the message and he'll pitch in for it. So yeah, I think इसमें शुगर कोट करने की कोई बात ही नहीं है. The only sugar coating that you can do is probably paste a smile on your face when you say it, but otherwise I think you should address it as soon as possible, okay? Don't delay it, because if you do, I'm sorry to say, you'll be paying the bills for the rest of your life, okay? So yeah, that's the advice I have for you, and that's the question for the week. I hope to hear more from you guys. Please pour in all your questions to us and also give us your feedback. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And yeah, I think I'll see you guys next week. Till then, take care and bye.